Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Yaz Fix. Today I'm gonna be showing my personal project, the Honda Accord. I do have many things going on at the same time, and if you're wondering about the boat, we hit a bump with that, and I'm gonna have to get a whole new intake exhaust manifold for that because it's damaged beyond repair. Let me show you real quick. So this over here is paper thin. Yes, this is good. So this whole thing needs to be changed, and it's about $500. So I don't have that money to spend right now, and boating season is over. So we're gonna put that on the side until next summer or so, and then we can work on that. And the other project is that Beamer needing repair on the transmission. I have 3 of those transmissions right down here, but they're impossible to fix since there's no information on them. But I'm still gonna try to put at least one of them together, nicely running, going into all gears hopefully. But these are 2 transmissions taken apart and one still together. So these transmissions, they all get stuck in gears or something else happens, but for the most part it's the gear shifting mechanism that goes bad. But that's also for another time. I work 6 days a week and I don't always have time to work on my cars. But the most important one is my daily. Now, this is eventually gonna get painted, but for now I'm working on the interior. I'm changing the whole interior from disgusting beige to nice gray and silver. So this is what I currently have. I've already swapped out the dash, which was kind of a pain. It took about 4 hours to swap out this dash, but I just removed the floor, just removed the carpet, and most of everything inside. Still have some work to do, but that's where we are right now. So I'm gonna be laying down some soundproofing, sound deadening, and then I'm gonna be going in with the gray carpet in here, so you can see. I'm also gonna be doing the headliner. I'm gonna redo it in black suede, and I might add the starlight. So that's what we have. This is the carpet that came out of the donor car, which weeds are growing into it. Alright, so this is the carpet. I refinished it with a special paint to get it in a little bit more acceptable shape. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. And then there's the Expedition, which also needs some work, but not worried about it. I don't drive it that much, so we're just gonna leave that alone for now. But basically this donor car, I'm taking the whole interior from that car. Already have some other stuff in there, and it looks like it's gotten water in here, which is not a good sign. But this is my old dash. The way I did it on my car, I did just the skin without the metal piece, but when I removed it from this car, I had to remove the metal piece because I didn't know how it went together, and it's just a lot more pain to remove it all together with the metal piece. But as you can see, this interior is in pretty good shape, and I'm very happy with it. I would just have to clean it up and install it. I might take that bumper as well. But if you're wondering how your Accord looks like without the dash in place, there's the whole HVAC box, and things are already breaking. So now for most of this video, it's not gonna be slow going step by step. It's gonna be mostly a time lapse of me showing just some different parts of the project, because If I were to record everything, it would take forever. So we are gonna get started right now. Alright guys, I'm finally done with the passenger seat. It's sitting straight now. The first time I put it together it was like that. I had to go through the whole ordeal of welding a new stud and whatnot. Cleaned it up pretty good. Still could use some more cleaning. There's some spots here, there, but I could do that with the shampoo machine because my method is a lot of work, but came out pretty nice. I can't complain. All nice and clean.